Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the MD Complete by Dr. Brian Zeliason. So this is like a three-step acne treatment, and I have used not lots, but maybe this is my third time using an acne complete system. And the other two that I used, one of them is a very popular brand that I used, and this was probably like 10 years ago, and it really didn't help with my skin at all. It made my skin red, it dried my skin, it irritated my skin. And I mean, they are still in business, and hopefully this time around they have changed their formula, because I still see commercials. They still do commercials with new and improved, like they've changed everything, their packaging and everything. So hopefully it works better than it used to work years back. So I got this system. This is a three-step system that I got, and I was like, oh my gosh, another acne system. Is this going to work? I was a little bit skeptical, but I'm like, you know what? There is no harm in trying. So it's a three-step system, and they have this probiotic. This is like liquid, but then it's probiotic. So this first step is their clarifying cleanser, and this is actually made with salicylic acid, but then it has other natural botanicals in here that actually cleanses your skin. It doesn't irritate. I've been using this for almost a month, and I am in love. Like if you have tried so many acne systems and it hasn't worked for you, I'll urge you to try this three-step system, and hopefully you're going to fall in love with it just as I have fallen in love with this system. So this actually has salicylic acid, and it has other natural botanicals to help, and it gently exfoliates your skin. So as you're cleansing, this product is going to exfoliate your skin. So as you can see, I have been using this quite a while now, and this is almost finished. It's almost finished, and I am sad, but I am going to repurchase. And this is what it looks like. It is very it's very mild. It doesn't irritate, it doesn't burn your skin, nothing. It's very mild, and as you can see, the formula is very, like, it has a silky texture to it, and it lathers. It doesn't lather easily. You probably will have to go in with maybe water, like lots more water, before you see its lathering action. It doesn't lather easily, but then it works. So what I do is I take a pea-sized amount, I spread it over my face, I activate it with water, and then after that I gently massage the product into my skin for like 30 seconds to a minute, and after that I just leave the product on my skin for like a minute or two. So as I leave it on my skin for like 2 minutes, the ingredients actually seeps into the pores of my skin and works from underneath, instead of just rinsing, like washing your face for like 30 seconds and just rinsing the product off. I actually leave it on my skin and let it work its magic, do what it's supposed to do for at least 2 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and then I pat my skin dry. This also has green tea, and we know green tea is a great antioxidant. Green tea is a great antioxidant. The antioxidant helps relieve your skin from all the harsh environmental stresses that causes wrinkles and age lines, and just causes your skin to age rapidly. Antioxidant gets rid of free radicals, and you don't want free radicals on your skin, even though like we cannot help it. but you know, prevention is better. So you prevent those free radicals from forming on your face and causing havoc to your skin. It also has ginkgo biloba and it has ginseng. So this is a very mild product. It's not going to irritate your skin, even if you you're like you're oily, you have oily skin, you're acne prone, but sometimes products can make your skin sensitive. I never got that experience with this, and I have used acne products that have made my oily skin like more sensitive, and I just had to stop using them within 3 days. But I've been using this for almost a month and I am loving it. So even if you're not going to get the 3-step system, if you're looking for something to just gently exfoliate your skin and get rid of acne on contact, you should try this. I don't break out like I used to in my teens and my 20s. In my early 30s, I break out maybe once a month. I'll get, you know, a spot here, acne there, acne here, and I use this, and within 2 days I see my acne is just like it's fading away. Like the acne just fades away within 2 days. So this is how powerful this cleansing product is. So yeah, let's move on to step 2. Okay, step 2 is the breakout treatment, and this has benzoyl peroxide. It has 4.2% benzoyl peroxide, and before using this I have used other benzoyl peroxide in other acne clearing treatments, and it always dried my skin, it always irritated my skin, and I'm like, okay, my skin doesn't like benzoyl peroxide, so I better stay away from it and not even waste my time buying any products that has benzoyl peroxide. So I was really skeptical using this product, but this product actually surprised me, because even though it has benzoyl peroxide, no dryness, no flakiness, no irritation at all. And they have MD Complete says it has like an innovative formula that helps to hydrate your skin. So even though it has benzoyl peroxide, they used an innovative formula which helps to hydrate the skin, eliminate acne, and to repair the skin. So I guess that is why my skin isn't irritated, because of whatever innovative formula they've used. So this is what it looks like, and it just is very light in texture, and it goes into the skin completely, and it's very soothing. It's very cool to the skin and very soothing, and it disappears into the skin right away. So it's not tacky, there's no residue. As you can see, no residue at all. It fades, like it just seeps into your skin and starts working right away. So you use this twice a day, and I've been using this and I've been loving it. It's an amazing product. And then the step 3 is their Citrus C Healthy Complexion. So this is made of vitamin C and retinol, and this is a serum. So serum is good. Serum is like it has all the ingredients are tightly packed into the formula. Compared to moisturizer, serums like has smaller particles that seeps deep into your skin and starts working right away. So this is supposed to help to diminish dark spots that are left behind after your acne goes away. So this is supposed to be helping to diminish dark marks, and it also helps to refine skin texture. It also has vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin B, and I have been using this. This is what it looks like. The color, it's a yellow color, and I just put it on my skin. This is, you just need a little bit because it's a serum, so like it is densely, the ingredients are densely packed in here, so you don't need too much, you just need a little bit. And you know, you can even just put it on where you have your dark spots and just sort of putting it all over your skin. You can just spot treat, and it's going to work to even out your skin tone, refine the texture of your skin, and actually make your skin soft. Like, I promise you, these products are going to change your skin. Like, I've been using it and I have seen a difference. That's why I'm on here doing a review. I wanted to use it for like a month and see how it works, and if I love it, I'm going to come and do an honest review. And if I did not love it too, I'll let you know, like, this doesn't work, but this works. These 3-step system from MD Complete, it totally works. So if you've tried everything and it's not working for you for your acne prone skin, please give this a try. And this is like a 60-day supply, so this is for like 2 months. So within 2 months you should actually see, like, okay, this works or this doesn't work. And they also have their probiotics, because you know acne is actually caused by bacteria. So if you don't have enough good bacteria in your system, yeah, it's going to like aggravate your acne. So this is a probiotic that is included in your 3-step system. So it is a prebiotic and it has vitamin B. So you just mix it. There's a powder in here and there's a liquid in here. So you just mix the powder and the liquid and just drink it, and that's it. It's supposed to help to replenish your stomach with good bacteria. So it works, you know, because beauty works from the inside out. So yeah, we want that. So this is my review for the MD Complete. This has actually worked for my skin. I am so happy with the results that I'm getting. And if you're looking for an acne system that is not going to dry out your skin, that is not going to irritate your skin, that is not going to leave your skin looking red and patchy, going for this acne system. This actually leaves your skin hydrated. It leaves your skin soft. You wake up in the morning and you love the way your skin looks. It also it helps with the texture of your skin. Your skin is actually very soft to the touch. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Please like this video, subscribe, and if there's any reviews that you want to see from any product, just leave your suggestions in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.